Hello friends, in this video I am going to discuss what are the differences between tort and crime. Sometimes it is really difficult to differentiate between tort and crime, but believe me, after watching this video you will be pretty confident in terms of both these two distinct concepts. So let's discuss the major differences between these two concepts. First, based on nature of wrong. Tort. Tort is a private wrong. Private wrong means the infringement of the civil right of an individual. On the other hand, crime is the public wrong. It means public wrong is the violation or breach of rights and duties which affects the society at large. Next, based on degree of seriousness. Tort. Comparatively, tort is less serious and characterized as civil wrong. It affects only one person. On the other hand, crime comparatively is very serious and characterized as criminal wrong. It affects society at large. Next, based on intention of wrongdoer. In most of the tort cases, an intention of wrongdoer is irrelevant. However, there are certain exceptions such as malicious prosecutions, defamation, etc., where intention or motive plays an important role. On the other hand, crime cannot be done without mens rea, that is, criminal intention or motive. Therefore, in criminal cases, a motive or intention has the major role to play. Next, based on nature of remedy. In tort cases, nature of remedy is damages or compensation. On the other hand, in criminal cases, nature of remedy is punishment. Next, based on name of lawsuit. In tort cases, lawsuit is filed in the name of individual. On the other hand, in criminal cases, lawsuit is filed in the name of a state. Next, based on compromise and withdrawal of suit. In tort cases, compromise can be done between plaintiff and defendant at any point in time, and suit can be withdrawn accordingly. On the other hand, in criminal cases, there is no scope of compromise and so the case cannot be withdrawn. It can be only adjudged. Next, based on bar of limitation. In tort cases, there is bar of limitation of prosecution, so beyond the time period, it cannot be allowed. On the other hand, in criminal cases, there is as such no bar of limitation of prosecution. It can be filed and prosecuted at any point in time. Next, that is based on nature of law. Tort law is uncodified law as it is based on judicial decision. On the other hand, criminal law is codified law and hence crimes are dealt on the basis of Indian Penal Code. Next, that is based on name of parties. In tort cases, parties are named as plaintiff, the victim who filed the lawsuit, and defendant, that is the wrongdoer against whom the case is filed. On the other hand, in criminal cases, parties are named as prosecution, that is the state from victim's side, and accused against whom the case is filed. Lastly, though there are clear-cut differences between tort and crime. Nonetheless, there are some terms which have properties of both, that is, tort and crime. As for example, assault, conspiracy, defamation, nuisance, and negligence. Watch my next videos to know more about the tort law.